Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get ready for Pilates today. I normally don't put makeup on for Pilates, but I just was like, I just wanted to make a little bit of effort today just because, you know, I just haven't been looking after myself when it comes to like getting ready and stuff. So I thought, let me show you guys what I do. And I also got a few new skincare products just because my skin's just been going for it. If you're interested in how I got this look and just what I do in preparation to go to Pilates, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing. And yeah, let's get into it. My skin is so bad at the moment, like my forehead in particular, so I'm just trying to work on my skincare. I bought a few things from Superdrug this week to like give a go, and also did a little order on Sephora. So I'm really excited to try out some new products because I'm really slacking when it comes to my skincare. If you hear anything in the background, I've got my fan on just because it's really hot today, so I do apologise. At the moment I'm using this tea tree cleansing toner, but I actually purchased a new toner to try out because I've been using this one for quite some time, and as much as I like it, like I'm not seeing really any like changes in my skin. So I thought it would be good to give another one a go. I actually got these like marks on my head from wearing a wig. I hadn't worn a wig in a while, and I glued it down, and it just, like, as soon as I done it, I just felt, I don't know, I knew my skin was going to react to it. So I need to sort out what glue I use when I do, excuse me, when I do wigs. Because at the moment I'm just wearing a glueless wig because it's just way more convenient. I'm going to now go in with my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber and tea tree. So the next product I'm going to be going in with is this vitamin C detox skincare. It's an it's an invigorating skin booster, and it's to detoxify your skin infused with vitamin C. Apparently it leaves your skin softer and brighter, so I thought I'd give this a try. This is one of the products I purchased from Superdrug. The next product I'm going to be going in with is similar to, it's the same brand from the vitamin C line, and this is just for your under eye, and it's a brightening eye gel. My under eyes have never been like a really big issue, but recently I've been noticing they look quite heavy, so I thought I would give an eye gel a go. The next product I'm going to be going in with is the L'Oreal Hydra Genius Aloe Water. I used this a couple of years ago and I really liked it, so I thought I would try and add it back into my skincare routine. So the next product I'm going to be going in with is a CeraVe smoothing cream, and this is for dry, rough, bumpy skin. I use the same cleanser in this line as well to wash my face. It's been very, I don't know, I just find it's very nice on my skin. It's very gentle. And then finally, I'm going to be going in with the Bondi Sands Face SPF 50 spray, and this is the sunscreen. I normally go between the spray and the cream itself. Here is the cream, but I kind of find I like to use the cream version in the winter time, just because it's a little bit more heavier, and because I've got combination skin, sometimes it can make my face a little bit greasy. I also like to put it on my chest as well. I'm going to do a little bit of makeup for Pilates. I don't normally do makeup to go to the gym, but I don't know, I've been a bit down recently, so I just want to make myself feel good, so I thought I might as well do a tad bit of makeup. So I'm just going to get my makeup products. What I tend to do when I'm doing like an everyday, like a really quick everyday makeup look, I will go in with this MACStudio Fix Conceal Correct palette, and this is in the shade Dark, and it just has like 6 shades, and it's really easy to use because you've got all the colours you need. So I'm just gonna go in with this light shade here and just put that under my eye, just to cover up my dark under eye. And then I'm going to mix these 2 shades here, and then just do it around my mouth. And then I'm just going to take that dark shade by itself and just contour my nose a little bit. I'm just going with my hands and just blend out that makeup. Now I'm just going to go in with my MERCIER Translucent powder in the shade Translucent Honey, and I'm just going to use a tiny bit just to set my under eye, because I kind of want my face to still look like skin. I don't want it to look like I've got makeup on. So I just dab it in like so. I'm going to be taking the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in medium dark. I've had this for ages, but it's still going strong, so I'm just going to keep using it until it finishes. I'm going to use that to bronze my face. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of blush, and the blush I'm going to be using today is by Milk Makeup, and it's the lip and cheek blush in the shade Quickie. It's really nice, deep, like a deep cherry colour. So I'm just going to put that here and here. I don't know if you can see that, but and then finally I'm going to be taking the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Hot Cherry to just give my lips a bit of a tint. So this is the finished look for just a really quick everyday, you know, like skincare and makeup look for Pilates. It looks like quite a lot, but honestly I didn't do much at all. So I'm just gonna get my bag sorted out and head off to Pilates. What I'll try and do is I'll try and link all the products down below, so if you're interested in any of them you can purchase them for yourself.